last video that I uploaded was the last Korea vlog in the meantime, because I'm planning to go back to Korea. But anyway, that's the last upload for my Korea trip that we did last March. So now we're back to Sydney vlog. So I'm gonna be posting Sydney vlogs or Australia vlogs in the foreseeable future. So now today is a Sunday, 3 p.m. and we are out and about. We just left the house and we are going to this cafe because yesterday we've been just like hanging out at home, resting. Oh, aside from doing my nails, of course. I went out with my friend yesterday morning and then the rest of the day we just stayed at home. But today we just decided to go out because it's been a long time since we go somewhere, just explore and try out new places. So now we're going to this cafe that I saw online, like must visit, like cute cafes in Sydney. So I'm going to Concrete Jungle Cafe. I'm gonna take you with me so that you can see like where to go when you visit Sydney. So let's go. Got to the Concrete Jungle Cafe like 30 minutes before they closed, so we had to rush like eating the food that we ordered. So we ordered the pancake. It's good. It's yuzu, so yuzu, it has a lemony taste. So yeah, it's like a bit like there's a lemony taste to it and also sweet. It's good. But the sad thing about it is we had to rush, so we weren't able to savor that we had. It's a good ambience. The place is so beautiful. It's so pretty. So must try. Maybe we'll go back some like next time just to try out the other food that they have. Just have to make sure that we're gonna go there earlier than today. So yeah, we are near Central Park Mall. I think it's Chippendale. So it's a good area. It's so pretty here. So must like visit when you with me. There's a lot of like small shops here, restaurants as well, and it's also close to the Central Park Mall, which is like a proper mall, and it's also close to Haymarket, which is like Chinatown. So yeah, it's a good day today. Starting to get chilly, so I'll wear my cardigan first. It's been a long time since we like visited Spice Alley. So Spice Alley is like an alley full of Asian cuisine. So if you're into Thai, Malaysian, or want to try out Asian cuisine like Japanese, Shanghai, so this is the place to go. Multiple restaurants that you can try. So yeah, we're pretty full right now, so we just ordered popcorn chicken. There's no sauce for this one. Chicken. This is like chicken. I'm not worried about that. Foreshadow. It's just snowy.
Days keep flying, but that's on me. I'm so sick of wasting time. Can't you see I'm on the line?
So good afternoon everyone and welcome to another day here in Sydney. It's supposed to be winter, that's why I'm wearing this, and I'm feeling a bit unwell today, that's why I'm wearing this, but it's not that cold to be honest, because winter in Sydney or in Australia is not that super cold. We don't have snow here, only on some other parts on the mountainy areas, but in Sydney it doesn't snow. So yes, it's winter, the wind is cold, but it's still sunny, so that's why sunshine, super bright here in the living room. So yeah, I'm just gonna grab some lunch. It's my lunch break. I'm currently working from home. Take a bit of rest because I want to finish my work today. I always finish my BAU, but some projects that I've been like putting off for some time now, so I want to do that today. So here I am in my Udi. So let's go grab some lunch.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice, you got me all lost, so blind.
It's not aesthetic at all, but this is like simple life. What I'm having right now is teriyaki salmon cooked by the hubs yesterday. So this is just leftover. What he usually does is cook a meal that is good for like 2 to 3 days max, so that he doesn't have to cook every day. So yeah, what's funny about it is we end up eating it just one day, like for one dinner and one lunch, because it's just so good. We finish everything in just like a day or two instead of 3. So yeah.
I'll shine.
I don't know why you left, but we still got time. I don't know what I did to you like this to be loved.
So time to work. It's Friday. Last work day of the week. I'm so excited. Yesterday I thought it's Friday already. This morning when I woke up, I thought it's Saturday. It's like, is it Saturday already or a Friday? Unfortunately, it's a Friday. So I'm just gonna do my work, do my best to complete it, and finish as soon as possible and plan for the rest of the day. Good morning everyone. So today is finally the weekend. It's Saturday and we are actually going out today. So it's 9:50. We want to go to this cafe nearby. It's like a walking distance from our apartment. We heard that it's very popular and they have good coffee, so we want to try that out. We already had breakfast. We have champorado, so it's like a Filipino dish. It's so good. So we just wanted to try out the drinks at this cafe. So film some videos and photos. So I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing right now. So very comfy. It's 10 degrees today, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be cold. By looking at the temperature on the weather app, I still don't know if it's gonna be cold or not. But 10 degrees, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's super cold by my standards, of course, because other people might say, it's not cold, it's warm. Go to this place, you'll negative. But yeah, it depends on the people if they easily get cold or warm, right? So yeah, I'm wearing just my favorite scarf at the moment, jumper, just joggers. Yeah, I'm ready. Gonna go. Bye.
I wake up, I don't wanna make my bed. I'll save up all my energy. Instead you take up all the energy I have inside. And I can't find a way to just ignore it. And I can't really take it anymore, 'cause I can't stop you from running around through my mind. Won't stop running, never will. I'll take some melatonin pills this time, 'cause I just wanna sleep tonight. coffee. Yeah, I just wanna sleep. But lately I've been sleeping way too much. Cause baby, I've been dreaming about us. And I can't help but wish that all my dreams came true. But I'm not ever wishing on a star. The galaxies won't make you change your heart. Won't make it any easier for me to stop dreaming about you.
So we are at Circa Espresso.
Getting bags under my eyes, cause I've been staying up too late at night, just writing all my feelings out on this page. Deciding whether I should just confess or hide it. Tell myself it's for the best, but either way I go, I know you're never gonna feel the same. So I drink my coffee harder iced to get me through another lonely night.
Hey everyone, so we just got home from having coffee at Circa Espresso. So I just found out that Circa Espresso is not actually your normal cafe where they serve bacon, eggs. They're some type of Mediterranean cafe because there's no bacon at all. And the dip that we just ate tastes different. It tastes something Mediterranean. I just can't quite put the description, like I don't know what it is, but it's so good, but it's not your like Western cafe. And we love it. The hubs really loved it because favorite niya yung mga ganun types of food. So now, if you want to see how life in Sydney looks like and you want to know more about living in Sydney, please feel free to comment in the comment box down below. Just ask questions, and if you want to see specific type of videos on my channel, just please let me know as well, and I will try to make a video for that. Yes, we're just at home because the house had to go to the toilet. And I'm just gonna clean the house for a bit. I'm gonna vacuum the floor and we'll just go out again. I think we're going to this part, but I want to go to another part which is a lot further from our apartment. So the house is kind of embarrassing. It's so messy right now. We have a lot of things here around. The past few days we were just so freaking busy at work that we haven't had time to clean a bit. That's why it looks like that. So maybe I should do a video where I'm cleaning the house, because tomorrow I'm planning to do like a semi-general cleaning of the house. I'm planning to clean the grouts. We bought like the grout cleaner for a while now, but we haven't used it. I've just been like cleaning the grouts with a toothbrush. Now meron ko talaga grout brush na tina-target talaga is grout. So I'm gonna use that tomorrow. Make the house more presentable again. Every weekend, that's what we usually do. Ang ginagawa namin is I wipe the like surfaces and then the kitchen, and some other weekends I clean the grout. So yeah, maybe I should post a video like that. I'm scared that people might judge me or judge us for having like a dirty house. Then again, it's not dirty. Like we live in it, we know how to clean. Our parents are really clean freaks, especially my mom. By the way, I just want to share this plant that we got from Ikea last year. We don't water it as much, like probably once a week. And look, it's still thriving. As in, like, may tumutubo pang branches and leaves sa kanya. As in, we don't water it. And I don't know if it gets sunlight because nandito siya sa area na to and nandun yung window. Yeah, it's so good. It's so nice. So I would recommend buying this like plant at Ikea if you have an Ikea near you. So yeah.